Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to use WhatsApp's View Once feature for photos and videos on iPhone. So, first you need to make sure that WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. And once you've confirmed that, head to WhatsApp and tap on the plus button to go to photo and video library. Tap on the photo you want to send. And then right here at the bottom, in the bar where there's this one icon, tap on that, and you'll be able to use the View Once feature. So the recipient will only be able to see the photo or video once, and it will be permanently deleted from the records. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like, comment if you have any more questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!